Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, was killed in conflict with which of the following? He was killed in the conflict with Portuguese while he was making a deal with them on a ship. Which of the following information is found in Ashoka's inscriptions? Ashoka's inscriptions were found in central eastern part of India. They were written in Magadhi Prakrit using Brahmi script. Magadhi Prakrit language using Brahmi script. They contained life story of him, internal policy and foreign policy. Therefore, all options are correct is the correct option. Edicts of Ashoka are 33 inscriptions. They were engraved on the pillars and cave walls by himself. Let's see the next question. The Ajanta caves were built during the period of Guptas. They are universally regarded as masterpieces of Buddhist religious art. Tumba in Kerala is famous because Tumba in Kerala is famous after Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, which was first of that kind in India. Parbati Dam is built across the Parbati River in which state? It was built across Parbati River in Himachal Pradesh state. The Loktak Lake is situated in Manipur district. It is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India and is famous for fumdis floating over it. Fumdis. In economic terms, globalization is the process of rapid dash between countries, rapid integration between countries. Which is the first decentralized digital currency in the world? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency in the world. It was first released as open source software in the year 2009. Which body is the regulator of the money market in the country? RBI is the regulator of money market in the country. Parliament conducts dash sessions year. Parliament conducts 3 sessions every year. Budget session from January or February to May. Monsoon session from July to August or September, and winter session from November to December. Project Tiger was launched in the year 1973 on 1st April. It was launched to promote conservation of the tiger. Project Tiger has been the largest species conservation initiative of its kind in the world. The Sindhi language was included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution in which constitutional amendment? It was included in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution in 21st Constitution Amendment. Study of an internal structure of an organism is called as? It is called as anatomy. Which one of the following is a tranquilizer? Seconal is a tranquilizer. Tranquilizer is a medicinal drug taken to reduce tension or anxiety. The monomer of polythene is ethylene. Ethylene is also called as ethene. How many periods are there in a modern periodic table? There are 7 periods in a modern periodic table. The horizontal row is called as period and the vertical column is called as group. What is the reason for formation of mirage in a desert? Both refraction and total internal reflection is the reason for formation of mirage in the desert. Mirage is an example of total internal reflection which occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Which of the following is an instrument used for measuring electric potential difference? Electrometer is an instrument used for measuring electric potential difference. Latmar Holi is celebrated in? Latmar Holi is celebrated in Barsana and Nandgaon areas near Mathura in UP. Which of these is not an Indian musical instrument? Madal is not an Indian musical instrument. It is a folk musical instrument of Nepal. It is popularly used as hand drum in Nepal. What is the name of India's first mission to Mars planet? Mangalyaan is the name of India's first mission to Mars planet. It is also known as Mars Orbiter mission. It is a space probe launched by ISRO. Next question. First woman to get Ashoka Chakra. First woman to get Ashoka Chakra is Neeraja Bhanot, because she stood up to 4 heavily armed hijackers on a Pan-American World Airways flight. What is A in CACP? CACP full form is Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Therefore, A in CACP is agricultural. It was built in the year 1965 with the name of Agricultural Price Commission. Later, it got a name in 1985 as CACP. Who is the present Sports Minister of India? Kiren Rijiju is the present Sports Minister of India. Which of the following can input graphical images and pictures for a computer? Scanner can input graphical images and pictures for a computer. Friends, we are providing 140 SSC mocks for Rs 249. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice. We are even providing 2 free mocks for each exam, CGL, CHSL and MTS. Please do check our mocks. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our video for more regular content. Thank you.